Zirconium for pigments is relatively important just for very contemporary class of pigments that are based on zirconium silicate. Otherwise, zirconium is not really present in any historical modern art pigment. Zirconium, atomic number 40. Here are the X-ray lines K alpha 15.8, K beta 17.7. We use, as usual, a reference, a baseline, so we have a cube of pure zirconium, and the spectrum we get is this one. So we see the K alpha of zirconium at over 65,000 counts. So we get a lot of signal, so it means that it is an element that we can easily detect even in small concentration. The only pigment we have containing zirconium is in our pigments checker modern art, praseodymium yellow. This is the main diffuse and use of this class of pigments that are basically based on a zirconium silicate. They can dope this crystal with some other atoms. In this case is praseodymium, and praseodymium is the responsible for the yellow color. So it's like you have this uncolored crystal, zirconium silicate, and you add into it some color from other atoms. So in this case it is praseodymium. This class of pigments were developed to withstand extremely high temperatures, so they are used like in the ceramic industry. But some of these pigments have found a place also as art supplies. In particular, praseodymium yellow is found in watercolors. From the analysis of the spectrum of this praseodymium yellow, we see that the peak K alpha of zirconium is pretty visible, is already at 50,000 counts, so definitely responds pretty well, even if we are talking here about just a doping of this material. So it's not like the main component, but still it's visible.